Hi there, and welcome to a demonstration game for the Bundesliga Quiz League. And this is game number 3. And today we have 4 esteemed quizzers from different parts of India. In seat 1, we have Samanvay Banerjee. In seat 2, we have Tejasvi Udupa. In seat 3, we have Jyotesh Singh. And in seat 4, we have Naveen Rajaram. The 4 players know the rules already, but if in case you're watching, just a brief insight: 64 questions in 8 rounds, 2 directs per each person. And as you guys already know, or if you're watching, or if you've read the document which is attached here, uh, the passing sequence is determined by who has more or less bonus attempts. And if you don't understand that just yet, keep watching the video and keep an eye on the scorecard, and that will tell you everything. So with that said and done, we'll start the quiz. Remember, guys, 30 seconds on the direct is the maximum you have, but 5 seconds on the pass. Passes don't accrue bonus attempts, but a right or wrong answer would. Here's your first question, Samanvay. Samanvay, I'll paste as well. Which famous museum has extensions in Lens, a town in the north of France, as well as in Abu Dhabi? You are muted.
Sorry. Louvre.
The Louvre is correct. That gets you 1 point. And you can see on the scorecard, this is automated. You can see because someone was on 1 point, his position has moved to rank 1, while the others are now tied second. Time for question number 2 for Samanvay. Samanvay, Doordarshan's Gujarati language channel is named after which hill? Located near Junagadh, the hill is sacred to followers of Jainism.
I know this, yeah. But okay, fine. I'll go with Satpura.
That's wrong. We go to Tejasvi.
I'll pass on this one.
Pass, Jyotesh.
Pass.
Pass, and Naveen.
Girnar.
Girnar is correct, Naveen, and
Yeah,
that gets you on the
yes.
points table as well. And if you guys notice, Naveen was already fourth in the seating sequence, but since he has 1 bonus attempt, he remains fourth because he is with only one with the most bonus attempts. Now we move to Tejasvi for his 2 questions. Tejasvi, question number 1. After 32 seasons, which reality TV series about the police was cancelled by the Paramount Network in 2020? The name is the expansion of the C in ACAB used widely during the BLM movement.
Cops.
Cops is absolutely correct. And your next question coming up. 1 second. Yeah, your next question. Which Prohibition era cocktail was made with white rum, pineapple juice, grenadine, and maraschino liqueur and was named for a pioneer in American cinema? It was created in the 1920s at the Hotel Nacional de Cuba when this pioneer went to Havana with friends and business partners Charlie Chaplin and Douglas Fairbanks.
Mary Pickford.
That is correct.
Lady Mary.
That is correct, Mary Pickford. And now we go to Jyotesh for your 2 questions, Jyotesh. Here's question number.
Just wait. Sorry. Yeah.
We good to go, Jyotesh?
Yeah. Now good to go.
Okay. Question number 1, Jyotesh, for you. In which novel that was made into a Netflix film in 2019 does Balram Halwai narrate his life story in a letter addressed to Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao? Balram's letter explains how he escaped a life of servitude to become a successful businessman.
White Tiger.
That is correct. It is the White Tiger. Your next question. He is the son of Aphrodite and Ares in Greek mythology. He used to slay his enemies by making a brave enemy turn coward. In Roman legend, he is considered the father of Romulus and Remus, Rome's founders. The source of a scary term. Who is this?
And
Pan is wrong. Pass to Samanvay.
No, I'll pass.
Have to pass you, Tejasvi.
Yeah, I'll pass.
I'll pass as well.
Pass, Naveen.
I'll pass too.
Pass. The answer is Phobos, which gives the term phobia. Now we move to Naveen for Naveen's two questions to end the round. Naveen. In chess, what name is given to a configuration of heavy pieces such as rooks or queens in a single file? The name is inspired by the term that refers to a grouped unit of artillery, missiles, and so on.
Battery.
Battery is correct. That gets you 1 point. Your next question, Naveen. Richard Bass, 1929 to 2015, was the first man to complete the 7 summits, a challenge to reach the highest peak in every continent. The first summit he conquered was which highest mountain of North America? From 1896 to 2015, this mountain was named after the 25th president of the USA, but has since been restored to its original name, a Koyukon Athabascan word for high or tail.
So McKinley.
Yes, that's
Which
correct.
is-
Mount McKinley, or popularly also known as Denali. So that's the end of one round, and you can see Naveen has a lead with 3 points. Tejasvi is second with 2, and tied third we have Samanvay and Jyotesh. So far, Naveen has 1 bonus attempt, while the rest have 0. We go back to Samanvay. You're direct, Samanvay. Literally, the foremost of noble ladies, she came to the throne of Egypt in 1478 BC and officially ruled jointly with Thutmose III. Who is this, the fifth pharaoh of the 18th dynasty of Egypt, famous for having sent a trading delegation to the land of Punt?
I'll guess Nefertiti.
That's wrong. Tejasvi.
I pass.
Pass, Jyotesh.
Hatshepsut.
That's right. Hatshepsut is correct. That gets you 1 point. And the next question to Samanvay again. Samanvay. The menswear line of which eponymous fashion brand featured the polo player, which soon after became synonymous with the whole company?
Uh, I'll just Ralph Lauren.
Could you repeat that for me?
Ralph Lauren.
That's correct. Ralph Lauren it is. So now we move to Tejasvi for your 2 questions. Tejasvi, here's question number 1. Gyanpith awardee Mahasweta Devi's historical fiction Aronir Odhikar, or Forest Rights, is based on the life of which folk hero who lived from 1875 to 1900?
Borphu Khan.
Wrong. Samanvay.
Isha Munda.
Birsa Munda is correct. And your next question. Tejasvi. In July 1957, which scientist made an appearance on the TV show I've Got a Secret? He appeared as a mystery guest whose secret was that he invented electronic television.
John Logie Baird.
That's wrong. Pass to Jyotish.
Pass.
Pass, Naveen.
Philo Farnsworth.
That's correct. Philo Farnsworth it is. And now we move to Jyotish for your 2 questions. Jyotish. As per the sports governing body, balls of only 2 colors are allowed for official play. The most popular ball color is optic yellow, first introduced in 1972 following research that they were most visible on television. Which sport are we talking about?
Tennis. Lawn tennis.
That's correct. Lawn tennis it is. Your next question. The name of this city is a variation of the Pashto word meaning fortress. True to its etymology, the first European to visit it in 1828 described it as mud-walled fort surrounded by 300 mud houses. Which city from the subcontinent is this?
Quetta.
Could you repeat that for me, please?
Quetta.
Quetta is correct, and you got both right, and we move to Naveen. Naveen. In Hindu legends, which legendary rishi who is said to have authored or heard one of the Vedas was also the father of the sage Dadichi?
Vyasa.
Wrong. Tejasvi?
Vaishampayana.
Wrong. Samanvay?
I'll guess Boshishta.
Wrong. Jyotish?
Pass.
Pass. The answer is Atharvan.
Adi.
Atharvan. Next question, Naveen, for you. Band Aid, the charity supergroup, was founded in 1984 by Bob Geldof and Midge Ure. The single that marked its formation surpassed the hopes of the producers to become the Christmas #1 on its release that year. and also became the fastest selling single in UK chart history. Which single is this?
Do they know it's Christmas?
That is correct, Naveen. So at the end of 2 rounds, here are the scores. We have Naveen with 5 leading the quiz. Coming second is Jyotish with 4. Coming third with 3 points is Samanvay. And we have Tejasvi coming fourth currently with 2 points. As you can see, since Naveen and Samanvay have the most number of bonus attempts, it's actually Naveen who's the last in the pass sequence. But when if somebody else comes to the game, you'll see Samanvay dropping a bit farther back as well. Now we go to Samanvay again for round number 3. Samanvay.
Round 3 is what? Sports. Oh, okay.
Sorry?
No, fine.
Yeah. Samanvay. Which 2006 novel tells the story of the Biafran War through the perspective of Olana, Ugwu, and Richard? It takes place in Nigeria prior to and during the country's civil war from 1967 to 1970, and in 2019 was ranked by The Guardian as the 10th best book since 2000.
Yeah, Heart of a Yellow Sun. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie.
That's right, Half of a Yellow Sun was correct. Your next question, Samanvay. In 1906, who discovered that the bacteria that causes Rocky Mountain spotted fever is carried by a tick? He injected himself with the pathogen and unfortunately died in 1909 while investigating typhus in Mexico City with the causative organism now named after him. His name is not to be confused with that of a vitamin deficiency disease.
I don't know this, but is there somebody called Ricketts?
It's correct. Howard Taylor Ricketts is the correct answer. That gave you 2 on 2. And now we move to Tejasvi for your questions. Tejasvi. Considering the ball used in this team sport, the sport's name is actually an anomaly. Like tennis, optic yellow is the preferred ball color in competitive play. The ball is built by bringing together 2 pieces of leather shaped like the figure 8 and sewn together with red thread, with a core of cork and rubber. Which sport is this?
I'll say football, as in American football.
Not right, Jyotish.
Volleyball.
Volleyball is wrong. Naveen.
Rugby?
Rugby is wrong. Samanvay.
I don't know, handball.
Handball is wrong. Well, that was an X from all 4 of you. The answer is softball. Now we go back to Tejasvi for your second question. Tejasvi. The 5th mountain climbed by Richard Bass in his 7 Summits Challenge was which Antarctic mountain massif, 21 kilometers long and 13 kilometers wide? The massif was named in 1961 after Carl G. Dash, the US congressman from the state of Georgia, for his support for Antarctic exploration.
Fuck, I forgot the name of that massive. Anyway, I pass.
Okay, Jyotish.
Yeah, this is Mount Vinson. Carl
I'll
Vinson.
give it to you. Vinson Massif is the correct answer. Now we go to Jyotish for your 2 directs. Jyotish. Founded by a certain Julius II in the 16th century, which museum or group of museums is the second most visited in Europe?
Vatican Museum.
That is correct. Vatican Museum it is. Your next question, Jyotish. Which icon of Kannada cinema directed the Doordarshan show Malgudi Days based on the works of R.K. Narayan? His older brother Anant also made multiple appearances in this TV serial.
Pass.
Shankar Nag.
Yeah, Tejasvi?
Shankar Nag.
That is correct. Shankar Nag it is. And now we move to Naveen for your 2 questions, Naveen. Here's question number 1. Which winner of the 2020 US Open wore masks bearing the names of victims of racial injustice, including Breonna Taylor, Tamir Rice, and George Floyd, during her matches to make people start talking?
Naomi Osaka.
That is correct. Your next question. Which cocktail, Puerto Rico's national drink, was created by bartender Ramon Monchito Marrero. According to Marrero, the ingredients for the cocktail's recipe, rum and strained pineapple, best reflected the essence of his country.
Pina colada.
That is correct. So at the end of 3 rounds, we have Naveen on 7, Jyotesh on 6, Samanvay on 5, Tejasvi on 3, Tejasvi with 2 bonus attempts and the others with 3. We start with Samanvay again. Samanvay, here's question number 1 for you. Also called blind chess, which chess variant features gameplay where each player can only see their own pieces and not those of their opponent? The name literally translates to war game in German.
Armageddon.
Wrong. Tejasvi?
It's Blitz.
Wrong. Jyotish? Have to pass Jyotish. Naveen?
Blitzspiel.
Wrong. This is Kriegspiel. Kriegspiel. Kriegspiel.
Thanks, Sudu.
Samanvay, your next question. The name of which administrative capital originates in the 13th century when a chieftain named Allagakko Nara built a water fortress in the shape of a triangle? This capital's name translates to the blessed fortress city of growing victory.
I'll go with what? I'll go with Colombo.
Colombo is wrong. Tejasvi?
I'll say Jayavardhanapura Kotte.
That's correct. Sri Jayavardhanapura Kotte, the administrative capital of Sri Lanka. Now we move to Tejasvi for your 2 questions. Here's question number 1. Atiya Guru Siddhaba is the creator god, and Pakhangba is the destroyer who can take a serpentine form. In which mythology from India? You can give one of at least 3 answers.
I will say Lambani.
Wrong. Jyotish?
I would say Manipuri.
That's correct. I accept Manipuri or Kanglei or Meitei were the 3 acceptable answers, and Manipuri was one of them. Tejasvi, your next question. Perhaps gone to the right person. What specific 1970s event connects the crowd noises on Aerosmith's cover of Train Kept a Rollin' and the album covers for the compilations Bob Dylan's Greatest Hits Volume 2 and the history of Eric Clapton?
I pass.
Okay, Samanvay?
I'll guess this is the Ali versus Foreman in
Wrong.
Kinshasa.
Jyotish?
Pass.
Pass. Naveen?
Vietnam War.
Not right. The answer is Concert for Bangladesh. The Aerosmith song featured audio from the concert from Bangladesh, the background noise, and the 2 album covers featured pictures from the concert. Jyotesh, we come to you for your 2 questions now. Here's question number 1. The bust of which queen is believed to have been crafted in 1345 BCE by Thutmose, found in his workshop in Amarna, Egypt? Currently on display at the Neues Museum in Berlin, she was queen of the 18th dynasty of ancient Egypt, the great royal wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten.
Nefertiti.
That's correct, Nefertiti. Your next question. The founder of which high fashion brand chose Medusa as his company's logo because, according to the founder, Medusa made people fall in love with her and they had no way back. The founder hoped his company would have the same effect on people who wore his clothes and shoes.
Versace.
Versace is correct. Now we move to Naveen for your 2 questions, and that will the last 2 questions of the first half. Here's question number 1, Naveen. The award-winning film Pinjar is based on a novel by which Gujranwala-born poet and novelist who wrote in Punjabi and Hindi?
Amrita Pritam.
That is correct. Your next question. On the 2020 television series Cosmos Possible Worlds, Sasha made an appearance as a grandmother Rachel Gruber. Who is Sasha's illustrious father?
Carl Sagan.
Carl Sagan is correct. And that's the end of 4 rounds. We have the two-way tie for first place with Jyotish and Naveen on 9. Samanvay is currently third with 5 and Tejasvi on 4. So far, Naveen has got 7 of his 8 own answers right. Jyotish has got 6 of his 8. Samanvay 4 and Tejasvi 2. Since Naveen still leads in the bonus attempts, he remains last on the sequence. And now there is no change of clockwise or anti-clockwise. We just continue for the second half. Samanvay, your question. Which people's origin myths speak of how humans emerged from the egg of a goose and a gander, two birds which were created by the gods, with Thakur Dev being one of them? The people in question are found in Bengal, Odisha, and Jharkhand.
I'll say Asura.
Wrong. Tejasvi?
Mm,
Have
I'll
to
pass.
pass, yeah. Jyotish?
Pass.
Pass. Naveen?
Beals.
Wrong. These are the Santals. No one got that. It's an X, the Santals. Now we go to Samanvay again. Samanvay. Reunited with Roger Waters for the first time in over 20. Yeah, reunited with Roger Waters for the first time in over 24 years, Pink Floyd dedicated Wish You Were Here to their absent former member, Sid Barrett. Timed to precede an international summit held at the Gleneagles Hotel in Scotland in 2005, at what benefit concerts with a doubly appropriate name did Pink Floyd reunite?
I'll say Great Wall, as in G8 Wall.
Okay, I'll pass you. Tejasvi.
I pass.
Okay, Jyotish.
Pass.
Pass. Naveen.
Pass.
Pass. This is Live 8, a pun on Live Aid and G8. Live 8. Now we go to Tejasvi for your question. Tejasvi. A 41 BC meeting at Tarsos between a member of the Second Roman Triumvirate and a sovereign is commemorated with a structure named after the latter, with the meeting itself resulting in tragic romantic consequences for both. Who is the structure named after?
Cleopatra.
That's correct. It's the Cleopatra's Gate, which is referred here. Your next question. In 1934, the logo for this fashion brand was first used when its gilded brass letters graced the central doorway of its store at Via Condotti. The brand's second letter was replaced with another letter in their logo. Since then, the trademark is written in the classical Latin alphabet and is a corruption of its Greek founder's surname. Which brand is this? One letter removed from a country's name.
Bulgari.
That's correct. Bulgari, one letter removed from, of course, Bulgaria. Now we move to Jyotish for your question. Jyotish. Which author of the novel Zindagi Nama is, as of today, the most recent woman writer to receive a Gyanpith Award? She was given this honor in 2017.
Pass.
Okay, Samanvay.
This is this Punjabi woman, K Singh or something like that.
That's wrong. Tejasvi.
Pass.
Pass. Naveen.
Rupi Kaur.
Rupi Kaur is not right. The answer is the answer is Krishna Sopti. Okay.
Hey, someone very close, man. Initials at least.
He was close.
Nothing.
Next question now for Jyotish. Jyotish. Whose mother, Jacqueline Jenkins, was a code cracker during World War II. Much before his appearances on television, he himself worked at Boeing Corporation and also saved the world, according to the title of a 2017 Netflix series.
This is Bill Nye, right? Yeah,
That's
Bill Nye.
correct. Bill Nye it is. Bill Nye, the science guy. Now we move to Naveen. Naveen, your first question. In chess, it is a checkmate position where the king is blocked on both sides by its own rooks. What is such a checkmate called, named due to resemblance to an ornamental part of military uniform?
Epaulet mate.
That's correct. It is the epaulette mate. Your next question. Lying on both the Bou-Ragrag River and the Atlantic Ocean, which capital city derives its name from the Arabic word for an Islamic base or fortification? Despite being only the seventh largest city in its country, it is the national capital and is the UNESCO World Heritage Site in its entirety.
Baku.
Wrong. Tejasvi.
Pass.
Pass. Jyotish.
Rabat.
Rabat is correct, capital of Morocco. End of 5 rounds, we have Jyotish with a slender lead on 11, Naveen has 10, Tejasvi has moved up to third with 6, and Samanvay is on 5. Bonus attempts, Naveen's way ahead, Jyotish and Samanvay are second behind on 5, and Tejasvi was on 4 bonus attempts, so he remains first on the passing sequence. Samanvay, we start round 6 with you again. Blank Must Fall was a movement started in 2015 to advocate for the demolition of whose statue at a university in South Africa. It later spread to the UK, where a prestigious award is instituted in his name.
Cecil Rhodes.
That's correct, Cecil Rhodes. Your next question. Created in California, this rum-based cocktail uses curacao liquor, orgeat syrup, and a lime juice, and is said to be a quintessential drink in Hawaiian, Polynesian, and Oceanic culture. The name is believed to be taken from the single Tahitian word for excellence, although it is usually spelled as 2 words. Which cocktail is this?
Uh, I have no. I'll pass.
Pass. Okay, Tejasvi.
Mai Tai.
Mai Tai is correct.
Yeah.
Tejasvi, time for your 2 directs. Here you go. The first book in this series was developed as a fan fiction series, originally titled Master of the Universe and written under the pen name Snow Queen's Ice Dragon. According to market research group NPD, this was the best-selling book of the 2010s in the USA.
50 Shades of Grey.
That is correct. 50 Shades of Grey it is. Your next question, Tejasvi. It was only as a 96-year-old in 2016 in a senior assisted living center in Cincinnati that he carried out the procedure for the first time in a get-together for meals in a communal dining room. The beneficiary was fellow resident 87-year-old Patty Riss. What eponymous procedure is this?
Heimlich maneuver.
That is correct, and that's 2 on 2 for you. And now, Jyotish, we come to you for your 2 directs.
Yeah, sure.
Jyotish, balls in which sport have colored dots on them, with each having different characteristics. Balls with blue dots are fast with very high bounce. Red dots indicate medium speed with high bounce. Yellow dots indicate slow speed with low bounce, while double yellow dots signify extra slow speed with very low bounce.
Squash.
That's correct. Squash it is. Your next question. The third mountain climbed by Richard Bass in his 7 Summits Challenge was which mountain, the highest in Europe? Although its name has some etymological connection with an Iranian mountain range, the names of the two should not be confused.
Sorry, Elbrus.
Elbrus is correct, Jyotish. We now move to Naveen. Naveen. A museum located at the Ypres Cloth Hall is dedicated to the First World War and takes its name from a famous rondo written by a Canadian soldier and surgeon. What is the museum called?
Flanders Fields.
That's correct. In Flanders Field or Flanders Field, both are accepted. So the end of 6 rounds. No, sorry, we have one more.
I have one more question.
Yep. Thank you, Naveen. One more question for you. The Doordarshan serial Hum Log was based on the telenovela Ven Conmigo, which translates to Come With Me in English. This was a show from which Latin American country?
Brazil.
Wrong. Somewhere.
This was probably Bolivia.
Wrong. Tejasvi.
Mexico.
Mexico is correct. So the end of 6 rounds, we have Jyotish extending his lead with 13. Naveen has 11 on second. Tejasvi has climbed up to a very close third with 10. And Samanvay is on 6. Jyotish has the least number of bonus attempts, as you can see, of 5. So he is first currently on the passing sequence. Samanvay, we come to you for the start of the penultimate round. Samanvay. Sorry, I pasted the wrong question. Here you go. Aag Ka Darya is an Urdu masterpiece often compared to Marquez's 100 Years of Solitude for its sheer scope. Which Gyanpith awardee was the author of this book? Her second name means lion or brave in Arabic.
Ismat Chugtai.
Wrong. Jyotish.
Pass.
Pass. Tejasvi. Have to pass.
Kurutullain Haidar.
That's correct. You're right. Just in time.
Ah.
Kuratulin Haidar is correct. Samanvay, your second question. By the way, Tejasvi is now tied second with Naveen. Here's your next question, Samanvay. The Big Bang, Big Bang, Black Holes and Beyond, and four other titles were the episodes of an astronomical documentary series featuring whose name in its title?
Stephen Hawking.
That is correct. We now move to Tejasvi for his directs. Tejasvi, here's question number 1. In its early days, the sport essentially used elephant tusks as materials for balls in the form of ivory. Later, celluloid, the material used in the initial days of movie making, was briefly used, while today phenolic resin is the preferred option. Which sport is this that at most can have 22 balls in play at one time?
Billiards.
Wrong, Jyotish.
Pool.
Could you repeat that?
Pool.
Wrong, Shamanway.
Snooker.
Snooker is correct. I did have a clue about 22 balls in play to differentiate between all the sports. Now, Tejasvi, your next question. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah. Tejasvi.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Which major capital city, the birthplace of Marie Antoinette, Lisa Meitner, and Hedy Lamarr, derives its name from the Celtic words for white fort?
Copenhagen.
Wrong, Jyotish.
Vienna.
Vienna is the correct answer. Now we move to Jyotish for your directs. Here you go, Jyotish. Which of Lord Vishnu's 10 avatars made an appearance in the Dwapara Yuga? As per legend, this period lasted around 864,000 years.
Krishna.
That is correct. It is Krishna. Your next question. Which country's biblical famine was first documented by Michael Bourke of the BBC News in 1984, who described it as the closest thing to hell on earth? The 1985 Live Aid concert was subsequently conceived by Geldof and Yer as a follow-on to 1984's Do They Know It's Christmas?
Sudan.
Wrong, Naveen.
Somalia.
Wrong, Samanway.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia is the correct answer. And now we move to Naveen for your two questions. Naveen. It's a long question. Here you go. The only modern constellation named for a historic person commemorates the ruling queen of Cyrenaica and queen and co-regent of Ptolemaic Egypt from 246 BC to 222 BC. The constellation's name memorializes a legend concerning her sacrifice lock. Which Ptolemaic queen is this, sharing her name with a French-Argentine actress from the movie The Artist?
I don't have a clue, so I'll probably guess Boadicea.
Wrong, Tejasvi.
Berenice.
That's correct. Berenice is the actress, and Berenice II is the queen in question. Naveen, your next question. Which largely menswear brand's logo displays both its American background and its nautical spirit? The color scheme reflects America, while in the International Code of Signals, displaying red and white flags in a maritime context translates to the letter H, which ties up well with the brand's name.
Something like, okay, Henley or something like that.
Wrong, Jyotish.
Pass.
Pass. Someone
For lack of a better guess, I'll say Hennessy.
Hennessy. Wrong, Udupa.
Tommy Hilfiger.
That is correct. It is indeed Tommy Hilfiger. And at the end of 7 rounds, we've seen Jyotish leading with 15, but we have a change in the second place with Tejasvi now on 13. Naveen is third with 11, and Samanvay is fourth with 9. A nice little symmetry happening there between the scores. Before the last round, we can see Jyotesh has the least bonus attempts, that's 7. So he'll be first in the pass sequence, while Samanvay and Tejasvi will be at the back end. Last round coming up. Here's question number 1, Samanvay, for you. The English name for which chess piece is named as the equivalent of an elephant in other languages? Examples include alfil in Arabic and slon in Russian, both of which refer to the elephant.
Bishop.
Could you repeat that for me?
Bishop.
That is correct. Bishop it is. Your next question. The fourth mountain climbed by Richard Bass in his 7 Summits Challenge was which dormant volcano in Tanzania, Africa's tallest mountain and the tallest single freestanding mountain in the world?
Kilimanjaro.
That is correct, Kilimanjaro. So Samanvay finishes his directs with 2 and 2. Good job. Now we go to Tejasvi for his last 2 questions. By the way, Samanvay is now tied third with 11 points with Naveen Rajaram. Here you go, Tejasvi. Museums known as the Thyssen and the Reina Sofia forms 2/3 of the Golden Triangle of Art, along with an extremely famous museum, all located close to each other. Which European capital are they all located in?
Madrid.
Madrid is correct. And would you know what the third museum is?
Ada.
Yeah, that's right, the Prado. Next question, Tejasvi. What recurring role did voiceover artist Harish Bhimani play over the course of a certain Doordarshan serial's 94-episode run in the late 1980s?
Samay for Mahabharat.
That's correct, Samay or Time. And now Tejasvi is tied first with Jyotesh, but Jyotesh now has 2 of his directs to get some more points. Naveen and Samanvay are currently tied third. Jyotesh, you ready? Here's question
Yeah.
number 1. While Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian stepped down and urged that a black candidate take his place, Greg Glassman, the founder of which branded fitness regime, claimed that none of his staff were mourning for Floyd and that there was no reason to do so apart from it being the white thing to do.
CrossFit.
That is correct, CrossFit, and you've taken the lead once again, the sole lead, I mean. Here's your next question. This cocktail with white rum, sugarcane juice, lime juice, soda water, and mint is one of 2 favorite drinks consumed by author Ernest Hemingway. Some claim it gets its name from a Cuban lime-based seasoning used in local dishes. Others claim it derives from the Spanish for little wet. Which cocktail is this?
Daiquiri.
Daiquiri is wrong. Naveen?
That's the one I had, so I'll pass.
Pass. Samanvay?
Yeah, I'll pass too.
Pass. Tejasvi?
Margarita.
Margarita is wrong. The answer is mojito.
Oh.
With the last 2 questions left for the quiz, we have a tight close game for first and second, and even the third and fourth position is not yet decided. So here we go for the last 2 questions for the quiz. Naveen, are you ready?
Yeah.
Question number 1. This physician helped set up the Medical School of Hanoi in 1902 and was its first director. A pioneer in the cultivation of rubber trees imported from Brazil into Indochina, he also tried to acclimatize the quinine tree, which produced the first known effective remedy for malaria in Asia. Who is this person? The discoverer of the source of a deadly troika, which is named in his honor.
Ronald Ross.
Wrong, Jyotish.
This is Yersinia pestis wala.
That's right, it is Yersin from the Yersinia pestis fame. And here's the last question of the quiz coming up for you, Naveen. Which memoir, later developed for television, details the events that occur as a result of author Piper Kerman's involvement with a former friend, lover, and drug smuggler? Writer Jessica Gross argued that the book belongs to a genre where women from privileged social classes enter situations that are considered degrading.
Ozark.
Wrong, Jyotish.
Pass.
Pass, Samanvay.
Orange is the new black.
That is correct. Orange is the new black. And that brings us to the end of the quiz. And today we have Jyotish winning the quiz with 17, Tejasvi making a late rally and finishing second with 15. Samanwar also makes a late rally and finishes third with 12. And Naveen today unfortunately finishes fourth with 11. Overall, it was a very close game. You can see that Jyotesh got 11 of his 16 own questions right. Naveen actually had the second most own questions right, but only 2 of his 8 bonus attempts were correct. And you can see Tejasvi and Samanwar also had 8 of their own answers correct. So that's the end of the quiz, and we hope that while watching this quiz, you guys understood how the format works. And if you like the quiz, then please do sign up for the Fundays Liga Quiz League, which starts from June 21st, 2021. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.